today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma Design to WordPress. We're keeping this simple and practical so you can follow along without getting lost. You'll need your Figma Design open and access to your WordPress site, and that's it. The process uses a Figma plugin that connects your design to WordPress and guides you with on-screen prompts so you don't have to guess what comes next. Start by opening your project in Figma. Make sure you're looking at the right page or frame you want to convert. Clean, well-named layers can help the plugin understand your layout better, but don't worry if it's not perfect. This method is designed to be friendly, even if you're new. With your project open, go to the Actions menu, then choose Plugins. In the plugin search, type Figma to WordPress. You may see a few options with similar names. Select the one you intend to use, then click it and choose Run. This will open a panel inside Figma where the plugin does its work. When the panel loads, it will prompt you to sign in. Enter your login details as requested by the plugin. Only enter information in trusted, well-reviewed plugins and never paste credentials into places that look unfamiliar. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your WordPress site, be ready to complete that step as well. The plugin needs this access so it can send your design content directly to your WordPress installation. Once you're signed in, follow the prompts on your screen. The plugin typically asks you to select which frames or pages to convert, how to handle images and fonts, and whether to create a new page or update an existing one on your WordPress site. Read each prompt carefully and confirm the choices that match your design goals. If the plugin offers options like mapping styles to your theme or optimizing images, pick the settings that best fit your site's performance and look. After you confirm, the plugin will begin the conversion. You'll see progress indicators as it exports assets, builds layout structure, and sends content to WordPress. When it finishes, you should receive a confirmation message. At that point, switch over to your WordPress dashboard and preview the page to make sure everything appears as expected. It's normal for complex interactions or advanced components to need a little polishing directly in WordPress after import. That's the full flow. Open your project, go to Actions, choose Plugins, search for Figma to WordPress, run it, sign in, and follow the on-screen prompts. Stay patient, review each choice, and you'll have a solid starting point for your site in just a few minutes.